In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add tracking and complete an order on Etsy using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Adding tracking helps you protect your orders, reduce customer questions, and improve trust since buyers can see exactly where their package is. Now, if you want to add tracking and complete an order on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website and sign in with your email and password. Next, open your Shop Manager. Click on Shop Manager from the top menu to access your dashboard. After that, go to Orders and Shipping. This is where all your orders are listed. Now, select the order you want to complete. Open the order details. Then, click on Complete Order. Choose the shipping carrier from the list and enter the tracking number. You can also confirm or adjust the shipping date if needed. Once everything is correct, click Complete Order to finish the process. That's it. Adding, tracking, and completing an order ensures your buyer gets automatic updates, builds trust, and helps improve your shop's performance on Etsy.